In this tutorial, we will show you how to automatically generate your structural system in Jarvis Design. First, you need to access our platform using this link. Then, use your email and password to log into Jarvis. If you don't remember your password, you can easily generate a new one by clicking on Forgot your password. Once you are inside our platform, you will see the main dashboard, which is where you will find your projects after you upload them to our cloud-based server. The status of your project is indicated with the icon's color in this zone. If your project is ready in Jarvis, the icon will be green, otherwise it will be red. If your project is in process, the icon will be yellow. On the left side of the dashboard, you can also access more tutorials, frequently asked questions, TXF templates for your projects, and sample projects created in Jarvis. To create a new project, click on the plus sign or Create New Project. This will take you to the main menu where you need to indicate all required data to generate your structure. Once you are in this menu, first you need to name your project. Then, select the material you would like for your building. You can choose among steel, concrete, masonry, and wood. Next, you specify the address of your project so that Jarvis can generate the structure according to your local building code. After that, upload your building layout in TXF format. If you have questions on how to generate this file, you can check our tutorial about sketching your building layout. You can also send a message requesting assistance. Then, you specify the number of floors, the typical story height in meters, and floor occupancy. Also, using the Advanced menu, you can specify different floor layouts, story heights, or occupancy at every floor. Next, you need to select what kind of output results you would like from Jarvis. You can choose between three types of output: basic, advanced, or professional. The basic output includes a 3D structural layout in the XF format and a summary of the calcs for the model. The advanced output also includes a finite element model in ETABS or SAP 2000. And finally, the professional output also includes a complete report and structural drawings, including foundations and details. Finally, when you click on Create, your model will be uploaded to the cloud so that Jarvis can analyze and design your structure. If all goes well, you can see your results by clicking on the name of your project. This concludes this tutorial.